So we're gonna go up to the third floor, see what our students are up to on this scavenger hunt. All right, I see a group right there ahead. That looks like Ethan Cammy's group. Cammy pretending to be very buff right now, walking around with his chest puffed out. And ahead I see Basilia and Elsa's group. Astronaut rabbit? This is cool.
Hi, shall we
Yeah.
find the same place? Or just...
think so. I think you're supposed to find the same thing in the picture. I mean, you can take a picture just in case. And of course, some juvenile would do the middle finger on this thing. Oh, I run into Joe's group.
Yeah, you say Ikea. You say Ikea, you say Ikea or Ikea.
Swedish people say Ikea. I actually don't know any of the answers. Teacher Emma came to take the pictures.
Really?
Yeah. I'm just shopping. I'm just walking around and see if I want to buy a sofa.
Okay.
Yeah.
You won't buy a new sofa?
No. Okay, I'm kind of lost. Where am I supposed to go? Okay, so I need to go towards... I think definitely, I see Emma right there. Oopsies! That's the door!
We found you.
Yeah, but I'm not on the quest. You're supposed to be looking for something else.
I found a room, let's go.
Lamp. Oh, I'm so proud. Teddy's like, lamp. Can you stop?
You sure take picture.
Take picture of what?
我不知道老师拍到吗？是吧？
What? Taking a picture with me is not on the task. Why are they trying to take a picture with me?
They're very smart. They know they need to look for a laptop first.
Yeah.
Because there's no picture of laptop and then
Oh. Stop touching. Yeah. Like in the halls, he just runs up and just like gives you like this weird bump. I'm like, okay, if I score the winning 3-point basket, let's do that to me. Yeah. But like, we're just walking to our classes. Yeah. Like, don't like tackle me. Don't run into me like that. Yep. You see this?
Who did that?
No, I don't know if it's our students, but this is the second one I've seen.
Really?
So I'm here to to right the wrong.
Yeah.
So just like we're gonna just like walk around, and our job is to look for those like hands and just like right the wrong.
Yeah. Make sure they didn't
Remove all the
do anything dumb.
middle fingers everywhere, ruining our reputation as the premier bilingual Christian school.
Yeah. No.
Okay, we good. Yeah. We can change them to peace signs, you know. Little peace signs are solid.
nobody noticed that. More ideas for a kitchen.
Oh, okay. They haven't seen it yet. Well, that's tough. This is actually really tough because everywhere you go, like you have to look at everything and then like filter out all the ones that's not on the list.
One floor is enough.
That's a lot. Yeah.
What if there were like 3 floors?
I definitely overestimated them. And Joe was like, "Don't buy a sofa from Ikea." Yeah, my father bought one and it was broken in 1 year. And I was like, you gotta think about it. Is it the problem with the sofa or the people sitting on the sofa? Not mean. How's it going? Finding things?
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
They're going to ask the people.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Yeah, asking for help is good.
Yeah.
Good luck. This is a lot tougher than I thought.
Yeah.
Good luck.
How many have you found?
3 or something.
Okay, wow.
Okay. Got a
3.
ways to go.
3 is better than 0. Right, that's crazy.
Pretty affordable.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, are we out here shopping? The kids are like asking me for help and I was like, I don't know, man. I'm just here shopping. And so far, I don't think like we've done a lot of disruptive things here.
No, they've been quiet. We
Yeah.
haven't heard any screaming.
Yeah,
Imagine
and they're
if
still
the rocks
walking.
didn't blow in.
Still walking. Okay, still walking. Very good. Simbi is still walking. This is a maze.
Final challenge. I'm gonna hide in one of these
Like, yep,
closet
just like a
things
random
and
wardrobe.
find which
And like, find Eno. Like right there.
and in there.
Find Eno.
luck. Yo, why did they make it so long?
It's like disclaimer. It's like a Batman.
Who designed this and was like, "Is this a good idea?"
No, the designer was like this. It's like the product manager and no, you need to put in all sorts of like safety precautionary thing.
Yeah.
They just made it like this.
Yeah, like this one too.
It's crazy. Is that Earth? No, what is this?
This was like.
Ugh. Oh, it's got yeah. It's supposed to be Earth, but like
Oh.
all polluted.
Okay. Interesting.
All right, okay. You can buy a little alien, but look at the tag.
Yo, the tags cost more than the actual thing.
It looks like like a dead cricket with all the ringworms.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
like
yeah.
ew.
Yeah,
The ringworms.
Who like decided that they needed all this like disclaimers?
Yeah.
Man?
It's like, oh, here, I'm gonna sell you a little finger puppet, but with this whole like.
If I like just expect you to cut it off.
That's crazy. Yeah. Like nobody's gonna read that.
That's crazy.
Which one's
Which one feels better?
Yeah, here, you hold this one first. I mean, I like this one more personally. It depends on what you're going for.
I guess so.
gray couch?
Oh. Well, I think this would look better on a gray couch. It's very pink.
They
But
got 10?
I like the feel of this.
Yeah, I think this one is definitely more fashionable.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one looks like pigskin,
Yeah.
but nah, nothing really piqued my interest. Other than the ridiculous.
Tags.
The tags are just ridiculous.
I don't know what they're thinking with these.
This is just like, yeah. Have you ever seen ringworms? These are what we.
Yeah.
Like these are tapeworms and ringworms. That's what they look like when they explode out of the dead body of a cricket.
I thought they were done.
Hi, welcome to IKEA.
This page is like it's like the story is like how many pages?
Or
Don't
I don't know the
didn't
answer.
add the.
I've never seen that book in my life.
There we go. There we go.
Where's
It's
Teacher Emma?
okay.
Where's
There we
Teacher
go. There we
Emma
go.
is
There we
the
go.
answer to your problem. She's right there. She's right there. Right there. Yep.
I've never seen that book.
I've never seen it in my life. Literally.
Where's the book?
I have no idea. We should make it like a side quest. Like we gotta go find that book.
Hold on. Why is this thing almost 3,000 NT?
It's probably some sort of like transformer thing. Nah, like it'll be like that for the toddlers to sit in, and then it'll transform into just like a regular chair, and then people are supposed to be like, ooh, really impressed.
Oh, okay.
And it's made with a solid wood,
Okay.
not whatever other kind
The
of wood.
Swedes chopped it down themselves.
Yeah,
The Swedes.
in the Scandinavian forests, some lumberjack just had to do that.
That's hired by
Yep,
cut trees down.
just cutting trees down.
by hand form these chairs. So like every chair is actually different.
Yes.
Because he made it by hand.
Yeah, they all have personalities.